Guys, this is the diagram of turbo fan jet engine. We are mostly use this type engine in passenger aircraft like Airbus, Boeing. So this is the conventional diagram of the turbo fan engine. This the main purpose of this turbo fan engine is to produce thrust. Because thrust is the force which given by the engine to the airplane to move the forward. So if we get into this engine front to back, we can see several parts. The front one, first one is the fan. Is same like turbo prop engine, but the prop is very small here. It's we call it a fan. So after the fan, the second one, compressor. You can see here, this is the fan. This is the fan. The second one, the compressor. This area, this is the compressor. From here also, this is the compressor. The third one, the important one, combustion chamber. Then the fourth one, turbine section. It's the turbines. Then the last one is exhaust nozzle. Same time we have there the inner core, we have the compressor. The outer core we call bypass. So if we discuss about the how this fan engine works, how it gives us thrust. So initially the fan will be rotated by, we call air starter or the starter generator powered by electricity powered starter motor, or the air starter will be mainly in normally air starter will rotates this fan. Same time it will rotate the compressor and the others. When the fan start to rotate, because of the nature of the fan, the air will be sucked by the fan, and the sucked air will pass through the bypass, and about 25% will pass through the inner compressor. This compressor, it will enter from here and goes to there. Is entered from here and goes to there, and by the compressor, by the design of the compressor, it will compress these gases which entered from here. When it goes to here, it is compressed, and then the compressed air will enter to the combustion chamber here. The important part is the combustion chamber. We have many types of combustion chambers. Same time we have many types of compressors. Normally we are axial and radial, we can call combustion. We have combustion chambers also, we have can type and all that type like. So in the main part in the combustion chamber, when the compressed air will enter to the combustion chamber, then from here the aviation fuel, gasoline outer will spray into the compressed gas, and same time the ignition will be supplied by the engine. Then the ignition, heat, fuel and air, there will be a fire. Because of this compressed gas will start fire, and it will rapidly expand through the fourth one, turbines, and into the exhaust nozzle and to the outside. Then because of this large expansion and the heat, the turbine will start to rotate. When turbine start rotate, it will mechanically connected to the compressors and the fan. Then fan will rotate. So continuously fan will suck the air, compressor will compress the air, combustion chamber ignite the air fuel mixture, then rotate turbine, it will continue. Then the same time, because of the high RPM, this turbine will rotate this fan in high RPM, then that initially connected AI starter will be disconnected from here, then this fan will bypass large mass of air with high speed to the backward. Same time, this after rotation of the turbine, this jet air, this burn combustion air will be uh, with high velocity will goes to the uh, exit from the engine, then will create the reaction force like a jet thrust. Same time the bypass air, same time this bypass air will bypass a large mass of air with large weight mass of the air with the large velocity. It will give us a thrust. Combination of these two thrust, the aircraft, the airplane, the passenger plane will move forward through the air. So that's the things happens in this engine. So when the aircraft will move through the air with the speed because of the thrust which gives by the engine. Then because of the design of the airplane, wings and the body, it will produce lift. It will hold the airplane on the air, and because of the thrust, the airplane will be moved forward. That's all, guys. Thank you very much.